Good morning. Today we are looking at the color wheel. I have got a blank color wheel in front of me. You will see that a typical painter's color wheel has 12 sections for color. So if you are drawing it yourself, the easy way to do it is to draw a circle first, draw your halfway line and another halfway line, and then your two crosses. Okay, once you've got that, the first step to a color wheel is identifying what the primary colors are. And these are yellow, red, and blue. So I'm going to go right here and put yellow in the first segment. Then I want to get red. Red, I know, is going to have to be 3 colors away so that it's equally spaced on the color wheel. Okay, so I've put red 3 colors away from yellow, and then blue will be 3 colors away from that. 1, 2, 3 in the fourth segment. Okay, so you can see each of them have equal amounts of colors between them now. So those 3 are our primary colors. If we're looking at secondary colors, we are looking at colors that those 2 colors mixed will make. So let's say red and yellow we know makes orange. So let me just go down to my orange. So orange is my secondary color here, and it goes directly between the 2. If I mix blue and red, I get the secondary color violet or purple. So that will go in that gap. If I mix yellow and blue, I get green as a secondary color, and that will go in between there. Now, the third set of colors. So we have done primary, secondary, now we do tertiary colors. Tertiary meaning it's like the third level. Okay, the tertiary colors are when you mix a secondary color and a primary color. The main thing to remember is that a tertiary color likes the primary color's name first. So if we mix yellow and orange, we're going to get primary color name first, yellow, orange. So let's go here. I'm just going to do a paint dropper. And we want to go somewhere between the 2. Over there. Okay, yellow, orange. If I mix orange and red, primary color name first, I get red, orange. So let's go somewhere here. Okay, red, orange. If I mix purple and red or violet and red, I get red, violet or red, purple. So it's this one. Okay, that makes it a bit pink, but it's just on my screen. But you get the idea. So red, purple, blue and purple together make blue, purple. Let's go a little bit more to the blue. Okay, blue and green make blue, green. And then yellow and green make yellow, green. So the main thing here is that your primary color name comes first when you're speaking about tertiary colors. So primary colors, red, blue, yellow. Secondary colors, orange, purple, green. And tertiary colors are your yellow, green, yellow, orange, sorry, yellow, green, red, orange, yellow, orange, red, purple, blue, green, and yellow, green. Okay. Now, if we're looking at complementary colors are directly opposite each other on the color wheel. Oh, my cat just pressed something here. No, I've lost. Sorry. I've lost all my tools. Here we go. Okay, so if I were to block out all the other colors except for opposite colors, that would be what our complementary colors are. So let me quickly show you. From here to here. Wait, not there. From there to there. So in this section, we've got yellow, purple. Okay, those would be complementary colors. Blue, orange are complementary colors. Red, green, complementary colors. Okay, you can also go with a secondary color. So for instance, we've got yellow, green, and red, purple. Those are also complementary colors. So it's anything that's completely opposite each other. That is a complementary color. A split complementary is when it wants to go opposite. So let's come back to our purple. It wants to go to yellow, but it goes slightly off to yellow-orange, okay? Or slightly off to yellow-green. So the split complementary is almost opposite, but not quite. Okay, I want to just show you analogous colors or analogous are close to each other on the color wheel. So analogous colors can be, say for instance, from green all the way through to red-orange. Those colors are close to each other. If I use them together in a color scheme, I've got an analogous color scheme. If I use just the warm colors, I'm going from yellow all the way to red-purple. Okay, that's warm colors. Cool colors is from purple all the way to yellow-green. Okay, then, so we have covered primary, secondary, tertiary colors, complementary colors, split complementary, analogous, which are close to each other. We've then covered warm colors and cool colors. If we add white to a color, so let me just do this. Say for instance this, show me what the color was, please. I don't know why it's doing that. Let's go back here. Okay, well, anyway, let's say it was purple. If I add white to it, like that. Okay. The laptop is a bit confused since the cat did the cat thing. Okay, we are back. Okay, if I add white to a color, like over here, if I were to add white to this purple color, I'm creating what is known as a tint. If it would let me, paint bucket tool. Okay, that is now a tint. If I add black to a color, so let's try add black to the green, I'm making what is called a tone. Okay, so a tint would make a color lighter, a tone would make it darker. The color as it appears from its raw state, so as it comes out of the paint tube, is known as the value. All right, the one last thing I'm going to teach you on the color wheel is your triadic color scheme. So if I were to make a triangle, let's go back to my pen tool, between three colors at equal distances, so it would be my primary colors, that is a triadic color scheme. So you're using three, triadic. So you can see yellow, blue, and red. Three colors that are equally distanced on the color wheel. Okay, if I do it with green, then it's going to be, sorry, my secondary colors. There's another triadic color scheme. If we're looking at tetradic, so that is 4, then it's 5 colors that are equally spaced. So we will go like this. It will make a square. All right, so that is, 4 colors equally spaced on the color wheel. And that is the last thing to teach about the color wheel. In the next section, I'm going to cover other terms that do deal with color. I hope you found this helpful. You will see in your notes that the terms are there if you are struggling with spelling. So just to revise, we've covered primary, secondary, tertiary colors, complementary, split complementary, analogous, triadic, tetradic, and we have done warm and cool colors as well. Okay, good luck.